Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power. And right here on the left ear cup, or on the right ear cup, we have USB-C port, so just connect USB-C cable right here. We can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. Cool. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to USB-C port on your headphones. And we can also see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!